This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Word document that contains the slide-like content. Once open, immediately save a backup copy to avoid data loss. Make sure the navigation pane and ruler are visible so you can quickly locate the page or object you want to remove. If the slide is an embedded object or image, inspect with a single click to see anchors and wrapping. Once you have these controls visible, you're ready to identify exactly which page or framed element must go next. Now locate the slide page and select the content precisely. Use the navigation pane or press Ctrl+G to jump to the page number. Click directly on the object, image, or table so selection handles appear. If it's framed text, reveal paragraph marks to include hidden anchors. Once selected, press Delete or Backspace to remove it. If leftover formatting disrupts layout, use clear formatting or delete adjacent empty paragraphs to restore flow. Finish by scanning the document for any layout shifts. Adjust margins or reposition images so text reflows nicely. If you can't delete an anchored object, switch it to inline with text or remove its anchor marker in draft view. That often frees stubborn elements. Once everything looks correct, save the file and compare it to your backup to confirm nothing useful was lost. If something went wrong, revert to the backup and repeat the targeted deletion steps more carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.